Hello again everyone and welcome back to the channel my friends. I've missed you too. So today look at this one. We've nicely presented that lovely black box with that silver emblem of KIZER on it. Let's get her out and we've got of course the cleaning cloth, which is nice to have. We've got some production photos and of course care, maintenance and instructions and warranty. And then of course we've got some, well not of course, but it's nice to have some extra Torx screws. Good to know. And of course, this puppy, here we go. Look at that. Is that not lovely? It just is. Form and function, guys. Lovely. I really like this. I wanted to review this ages ago. I just haven't got around to it, guys. I've had this for a while. Bang on the center. Look at this. Absolutely lovely. Let's pop this puppy out. Nice lock up. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Welcome, my friends. This is the KIZER Sheepdog. Oh, yeah. Isn't that a unique puppy? Come on, guys. Look at that blackwash blade. Now, you can get this, of course, in a black and white G10, which I like. Okay, of course I do. Most of us do. But also, the similar material like my Micarta, which this is, if it has my Micarta option, then I generally go for that for a couple of extra pounds. For me, it's worth it because it wears better. That's in my opinion. Anyway, what have we got similar? Well, now, apart from that, it does remind me, there is overtones of the CRKT peeler. Compact, one-hand opening. There you go. Roughly the same size. Cleaver style blade, of course, like the Sheepdog, all right, which I like. There you go. And of course, we got this puppy, which is the original KIZER I got, okay? The Zip, which is a good knife. Again, robust. Just a great, that's for size comparison. You can see it's quite a bit longer. This Sheepdog is obviously a bit shorter. So it's compact, guys. Okay? Really, really nice. Good to know. Now, what I also like is that rock solid flat grind. Great for everyday carry, especially with that belly. It keeps it slicing for longer. Just really nice, elongated slicing. Just great for your parcels, your boxes. But also, you can, because of that cleaver style, you can actually pierce and puncture, you know, sandbags, cement bags. Okay, no problem at all. You can get close in with that little cutout on the edge of the blade there for point work. Good to know. Okay. Handy to have. And you're super safe with that finger choil right there. Look, in case you break it, you cannot cut yourself unless you're silly. All right. Nice jimping on top. So when you can actually really lock up well in the blade. Absolutely gorgeous. And you feel safe and secure. Okay. Really nice. Lovely action. Really good slick action. And of course, with that cutout, it's a one-handed deployment. Now, I do like that cleaver style blade, I have to admit. Okay, is there any blade play? Let's check that. None, of course not. Okay, and if there was, you know, after you've used it for 6 or 12 months, you can always tighten the pivot. Okay, no problem at all. The actual blade steel is a good steel, good budget steel. It's 15.4 cm. Okay, which is easy to maintain and holds a fairly decent edge. I am loving this blackwash blade. It's very, very nice. I'll try and get a close up of it. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely action on this. It's double detents. That's not so easy to break. You've got steel liners. There you go. It's an open frame. Another good thing to know, if you are opening up sandbags, you're on the buildings, on the tools, whatever, and you get some grit in a standard knife with a back spring, it's going to be harder to wash out. This, you can literally just rinse through. No problem at all. Good to know. Okay. So if someone says, is it clean inside? Yeah. There's no backspring. All right. And this one, look at this. What I also like about this, it's the layered canvas micarta, which I really enjoy as well. I love micarta, guys. It's lovely. That two-tone black finish. Look at it. Let's get a close-up of that. Come on, guys. Isn't that lovely? Love a bit of two-tone, yeah? Back in the day. All right. If you know, you know. All right. Anyway, so it gives you a really sure hold. You know, it's very grippy, even in a moist, temperate environment like the UK. Of course, you got also, which is very nice to have, is that lovely pocket clip. Deep carry, as you can see. It's strong, good retention overall, okay, which I like. It's not reversible and it's tip up only, but that's fine with me, no problem at all. It's good in the hand, super comfortable, excellent fit and finish overall. Very good ergos, guys. Honestly, I've got a size 9.5 hands, but you could be having a small to medium hand, no problem at all. There are no hot spots, okay, none. Is it sharp out of the box? We shall see. I guarantee it probably is. Blade length. Now, the blade length is a nice length. It's 7 centimeters more or less, okay, which is about 2 3/4 of an inch, okay. Blade thickness is a fairly decent stock, 2.5 mil, which is 0.01 of an inch. And the overall length is 15 centimeters or 6 inches, okay. Now, the actual close, which is nice, okay, is also, here we go, let's turn it around this way, is 9 centimeters, okay, which is basically 3.5 inches approximately, okay, or 3.5 inches. The actual weight, now this is going to be interesting. The weight on this knife, I'm not sure. Let's have a guess. 85, 90 grams, 81 grams. Anything less than 100 grams is a nice EDC. 2.8 ounces. That's fairly light, guys, as I'm sure you agree. Now, in my opinion, my overall opinion, final thoughts, guys, for me, this is a strong and robust work knife. It really is. An absolute cracker with attitude. Okay. It's a unique design that's practical. It's well made. It's UK legal, of course, and for me, great value for money. I'd certainly recommend it. In fact, I'd highly recommend this for a birthday, anniversary, or even a special occasion. My final thought, well, not final thoughts, my star rating rather on this is 5 stars actually. It's 5. I was going to say 4.75, but actually 5 stars overall. It has got the pocket clip and, you know, it's really nice knife, guys, worth getting. I would like it a little bit cheaper, maybe under the £50, but what you're getting, it's great value for money, like I said, guys. That's me, just being me. All right, anyway, for price and availability, see the links below. Show your support by giving us a like and by hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel, guys, and I appreciate it. Okay, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp.